Hi there, this is Chris Callett with MuseGrid.com, and in this tutorial we're going to look at copying and pasting content. Now if you notice here, I've actually got two MuseGrid templates open. We've got the connections template and the entity template. Now the great thing with Muse is we can copy and paste items from one template to another. So on the connections template, I actually like the look of this custom slider that we've created here with logos in it, and what I want to do is copy and paste it into the entity template so that I can then change the logos and change the arrows, the left and right arrows here, the next and previous arrows, without having to create this whole unit over again. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go into entity here, and I'm going to paste. Now this will just paste it onto the page here, and we can then move this down into our content area. Slightly bigger than the entity template, so we'd have to do some modification here. But notice all the graphics come over as well. One thing you must remember is that the logos and graphics that have come over are still sitting in the folder where they originated, in the Muse Connections folder. So you would have to transfer those into the assets folder for this template in order to maintain them, just in case you moved the other folder around, you'd lose the graphics links. And then we could modify this. But the other thing that we could do, instead of just pasting, if we wanted it to be in exactly the same place, if we just go through and we copy this, let's copy this again, copy the whole unit. Got that selected, copy. Now if we go back into the entity template, and we'll go to edit, and we'll go to paste in place. Now what this will do is it will choose the exact location, the same height from the top, the same centered location as it is in here. And that's really useful, because when we're building pages with similar elements on them and we want them in exactly the same place, we don't have to just copy and paste and then move it into place. We can just use the edit and paste in place, and that will put it in exactly the same place. So we just need to move this item up, and then we can modify it, change the logos and everything else. I'm going to remove that back out the template here, and let's close this down. Don't want to save that. So just to run through that now as well, in masters we could create more master pages down here, and instead of copying and pasting, we would copy and edit, paste in place, and that would put our elements, our navigation, in exactly the same place. However, we might as well, if we're going to create the template exactly the same and just modify it, just right click on the page and just choose duplicate page. Now that's going to copy everything over onto this duplicate page, and then I can just go in and modify that. And likewise with pages here, if I've got, for instance, in the page properties, I've got metadata here that I want to run across all of these pages exactly the same. Instead of just creating a new page, I can just go to duplicate page, and that will bring over everything already there. So that's how to use the copy and duplicate functionality in Adobe Muse with MuseGrid templates, or with your own designs that you've created yourself. Thanks for watching.